Bentang kasih kesan tarik ujembang arjar pulai kawin nak kiru krau jong kaperthei ka Dame USA kalawan ban sakhi ya ka jingdu spa jong kari khasi hagi babun kiliang ka Dame Munni IRone hakati kasngi kalayo ban plie ya umau nong rim jong kawin nak ying jong uphaden khongja ubri usirman jong ka kenhun long trai laiken thei ra chabong hakati kasngi kalaya don lang bad upaim Dr. BSM Usim jong kahima khairim ringkat bad IPAM LSM bad u advisor ka Federation of Khasi State. Let's see kat nu kalong ka jingsnu sarong ya kathan hi barok ka wi bakani ka rikrau kalawan baniu kejat hakate ka sinong Phlangshlaiñ ka badon hapoh Pynursla.
Home is a new home. It's done. I'll be inaugurating this house. So, and you can see there's no nails or anything. This is done the old way, right? Okay.
This has been specially made before your arrival.
Ale, sino sudah mau jaya nanti? Sedap itu, Ale.
Just full. Yeah. Boleh. Klik dengan klik dekati. Abiang kan?
Let's open it.
Get inside. Get inside, please.
Kami lu cuti ang? Nana.
Atau pos no juga.
The elders start telling the stories, start teaching the young ones by inviting the good seeds. Very simple story. Stick with them. And that's how we learn to this day.
Yeah, I know.
She see.
One, two, three. 1, 2.
Thank you. One more.
Nano tengir.
Yes.
Same thing here.
He comes here, especially when he comes from retired at night. So it was during the night or early in the morning that he spent his time
Meditation
connecting
time.
to meditate. Like you said, meditation. We said connect ourselves with the
With the
Creator.
Lord.
Same thing.
Same thing. Century old
Yeah.
practice.
And then the whole day we'll go around all around the area to help the people. Because those who are in the need of prayer, to the need of consolation.
Tan, tiếp tục.
So cute.
Nguyên liệu tôi yên cái gì nó nuklear tôi làm vài